What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to name these chemicals. You have CH3,2C2O4. CH3 is methyl group and two of them is going to be dimethyl, and in this case, in this side we have C2O4, which is oxalate ion, which is C2O4 2 minus. And this chemical is dicarboxylic acid, which means that we have CH3 connects to the oxygen. We have O in here. We have another O in here. CH3. Basically that's going to be like a ester, because oxalate is coming from oxalic acid, and oxalic acid is like this. And now in dimethyl oxalate, each of these hydrogen is substituted with methyl groups. That's why we are dealing with dimethyl oxalate, which is the ester of oxalic acid. How to find the molar mass? Molar mass, we need to find out the elements C, H, C, and O. We have carbon, we have hydrogen, and we have oxygen. We need to find out each of elements atomic mass. Oxygen is, and carbon is 12.011. Hydrogen is 1.008. Oxygen is 15.999. How many carbon we have? We have 2 and 2, 4. Hydrogen, we have 3 and 2, 3 times 2, 6. And oxygen, we have 4 of them. So that's going to be 12.011 times 4. That's going to be 48.044. 6 times 1.008. That's going to be 6.048. 4 times 15.999, that's going to be 63.996 grams per mole, grams per mole, grams per mole. So together will be 48.044 plus 6.048 plus 63.996. That's going to be 118.088 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of dimethyl oxalate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.